Powell. Oh my lord. And let me wait for this to kind of filter in over here. But the overnight strategy strikes again, ladies and gentlemen. I'm telling you guys, it's free money. Pay attention or pay a premium, please. Hold on. I hope this whole the YouTube nonsense and everything else is not going to glitch out on me like crazy today. Let me just wait for the... Oh my. Look at the glitching going on here so far. All right, I think we're good. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Here we go. All right, so it is that time again. It is good mornings time. Why is my computer being so weird? But yeah, it's good mornings time, everybody. Say good morning to somebody in the live chat. Say good morning to me if you guys would like to. What an absolute amazing start to the day over here for all of you guys that pay attention. Who do we got in here so far? We got Daily Taylor, we got Thos, Tor, Angel, Rogue, Rycac, Pepe, Bipolar, Polar Bear, Brozio, Michael, Jay, Mark, Les, Angel. What's up, everybody? How you guys doing? How about that overnight strategy, ladies and gentlemen? Per contract right now. Let me see what it's sitting up. Right now. It is sitting up $1,300 per contract. You are welcome. It's free money. Free money, ladies and gentlemen. But yeah, guys, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. And again, I mean, that overnight strategy on one trade right there just paid for your mastermind, and then you still have $300 left over. So there you guys go. Palantir, yeah, Palantir's looking good. So a couple things that we got to talk about this morning. ADP employment numbers came out showing lower job growth than expected. That's one of the reasons why the market's trending higher here. Your Palantir calls are looking great. There you go, Daily Taylor. Swing Kings for the win, ladies and gentlemen. Dude, I am hyped up for today. IBM looking pretty good over here. This is a new position for me. I like how Kava looks here. I got a little bit of it yesterday, nothing too crazy. I kind of want to see if this thing can break a lot higher and start to run. DWAC. This one's very interesting to me here. So if you guys follow me on Twitter, you guys saw after hours yesterday. I tweeted out kind of my thesis with DWAC. It was a little bit, like, not tinfoil hat, but like logically speaking, it made sense. After the Supreme Court ruling on Monday, it didn't really make any sense for like the whole thesis for Nikki Haley to be in here trying to just backdoor her way into the nomination. So after, obviously, former President Trump was going to come in and just wipe the floor with her on Super Tuesday, it made a lot of sense that she was going to drop out. Now, that part of the thesis is correct. Now, based off of that, what should probably happen to DWAC? Well, it probably could get a really nice run. So I have a small position on that thing, but as you guys know, this thing can go absolutely wild. So I'll see what happens with it today. If it goes up in flames, I have a tiny little paper cut, and it doesn't matter. So let's see. The chain was really juiced. Yeah, you made $390 on 3 little micros while you were sleeping. Guys, I'm telling you, that overnight strategy, I made that video for free for you guys in what do you call it? In February with one ES contract every single day. It made you like $5,000. Like, and in January, you lost, I don't know, $450? That's some pretty decent risk to reward right there with not knowing what you're doing in the market. So we also have Jerome Powell testifying before Congress today. We did see a couple of remarks already from Powell. Nothing too crazy. I mean, it's just the normal stuff that we see out of Powell. Nothing changed. But there actually was one really funny headline from this that I want to go over with you guys. I found this hilarious. Let me scroll down a little. It's funny. All right, here we go. Fed's Powell. This is just kind of sums up what we're dealing with right now. All right, this is what he said. Risks to both cutting rates too early and too fast, as well as too late or too little. So basically, he says that the risks are everywhere, and he has no idea what he's doing. Let's see. You only a DWAC call, as you said, for the experiment and the fun of it. Yeah, DWAC could still develop, but we are really a month late, rumor news, but it still has legs. Yeah, I mean, it easily could do something today, but maybe it doesn't. Whatever. The other one that I'm very interested in, actually, and this is why I'm so proud of you guys coming into the live chats, especially, I mean, mainly, obviously, it would be those of you guys in the Swing Kings course, identifying some of these setups here. I think that Domino's has a really, really nasty setup here. Let's see what happens with it. You have this nice earnings gap. It's consolidating a little bit. You got a nice little baby hammer there. I want to see, there's no trades in the pre-market, so there's no way to know what this thing is doing right now. But I'd love to see this thing get above 452 today and start to get on a little bit of a run. That's really it for this morning. That's really it. See, we need to cut and not cut QE and QT at the same time. Yeah, you need like some elements of things that need to get like brought back up. And then other elements of things that need to slow down. You need to basically like burn the candle at both ends and hope for the best, which is very, very difficult for the Fed. So like a lot of people make fun of Powell and they're like, oh yeah, like a lot of, but he has a very difficult job right now. And honestly, like with these circumstances, he's done a pretty good job. Like Powell has done a decent job given these circumstances, guys. Like you can make, yeah, it's a mess. It's an absolute mess. Imagine if Powell was like that in his personal life. God bless the patience of his wife. Do you want chicken or meat? That will depend. We will be very data dependent. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. All right, guys. Again, we've got that 150 like threshold today. We are going to be streaming Powell, so we still probably will be on for a little bit longer, just like we did yesterday. But I'd really appreciate it if you guys hit that like button. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithms, getting these streams out to some more people. Again, you guys know the deal too. The mastermind signups are open this week for everybody. Once you guys hop in there, the link is at the top of the live chat. Just shoot me a DM on Twitter or Instagram with your email, and I will send you the code to get the courses for free as well. If you're not interested in the mastermind for some reason, I mean, it's the best financial education that you guys are ever going to receive. But the deal with the 50% off on the courses is still around. You had a friend caddy for J. Powell in Florida. He said he was a character. Where was that? Where was that? I think there is a place at which I may bump into Powell. There are a couple places that I might bump into Powell. Like, I just know people that, like, run in different circles. Like, okay, I have, like, when I say, like, banking expert and things like that, like, and other people, like, yeah, it's very possible that all of a sudden I could just be like, oh, my God, that's Jerome Powell. Like, so, I mean, you surround yourself with good people, you're able to learn a lot of things, ladies and gentlemen. So, let's see what we got today. I think today is going to be very, very fun. DWAC coming down is interesting to me in the pre-market. I was not expecting that, but we'll see. Not as sure exactly where. Yeah, there's a bunch of them down in Florida. SVM kind of a big deal. I'm not. I just get to tag along to things sometimes. I just get to tag along. I'm not the big deal. These other guys are the big deal. Why would any of those people want to talk to me? Let's see. I told you guys, though, the question that I'm going to ask Powell if I ever see him is, how mean is Janet Yellen? when she's trying to get you to cut rates so that the United States government doesn't have to pay out the you-know-what in interest every single year when they refinance. How mean is she? Did you see the Miami Beach campaign against spring breakers? I saw a little something on like Twitter about that. I didn't look into it, but let's see. Where's IBM? IBM 193.15. The IBM position. So I rolled it. So when I was up about I think it was 50 or 60% on it. You'll have to do my impersonation. I will have to do that with Yellen. When I was up like 50, 60% on the IBMs yesterday, when the market started to come down and then IBM started to lose it, I sold the calls that I had and I rolled them out to further expirations just because I really like how this chart was moving. Yesterday, holding with the when the overall market was absolutely getting blasted. I mean, you can see here, only down 0.5% yesterday, up $1.20 this morning. So, I mean, I think those are going to be pretty decent. I think if this market gets some legs back under it, I think we could easily go up and test that 196.89 or 197 area. Kava is interesting too. If you can get up to 60, I think that would be some nice movement. DWAC again is that fun trade, and then I want to see where Domino's Pizza opens up today. That's going to be a fun one. Did Trading Day take away a chart from your sub tier? I have no idea. They could have. SMCI going for another run up, dude. I think AMD is too. I'm look at this. AMD all-time highs in the pre-market, basically 211. I'm getting a little worried that I'm actually going to have to sell those shares at 2 something. I'm not telling you where I went. I will tell you, though, that the AMD calls that I sold are in the 200s for a far out expiration. But I didn't do it on the whole position. I only did it on like a portion of it. So, and if that hits, that's fine. I mean, give me a bunch of money. Realize my gains. And we'll be good to go. So, all right, team, let's get out there. Oh, my God, we are 10 likes away from 50. You guys are already cranking it this morning. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. Dude, I can't wait to get started with this mastermind with you guys next Tuesday as well. And then, again, for those of you guys that are a little bit on the fence about, oh, my God, do I really want the mastermind? But, it's a little expensive. The platform that I'm offering it through is offering a firm, like the buy now, pay later stuff. If you guys sign up, I think it's only like 60 to 80 bucks a month for a couple months. And then you guys are able to hop into the mastermind. So that is an option there for you guys if you want to hop into it. Same deal with the courses as well. So you guys can get that deal. Again, the monthly payment's going to be a lot lower because the courses are less expensive and you're getting 50% off right now. But how's that overnight strategy still looking over here? Are we looking good? All right, we're still up, what, 1175, I think? Still looking good. AP time if you get assigned. I'm not, dude, Pepe. You think I'm going to sell the AMD shares and then buy a watch? You're crazy. Yeah, 63 bucks a month. Yeah, so there you guys go. So, I mean, again, if you don't want to put the upfront cost in there, that option is there for you guys to take advantage. Again, I want you guys to make sure that you're comfortable coming in and it's not like something that's going to break you financially, which, again, I price them super low anyway, but let's see. Basically to see if this way I acquire your attitude towards markets and other things. Yeah, I mean, you will. You will. I also think, here's the thing, that thought process and that line of reasoning and thinking that I used for, let's call it Super Tuesday. Oh my God, Wayne bought an NVIDIA call at close. Oh, you're going to be having fun with that this morning, I think, bud. I might just keep these to myself. Just because it's going to be so risky, but like I might try to use it next earnings season. Like there's just that type of logical reasoning. Because I've done it a few times. Robinhood was one of them. Well, then don't buy it with cash. Treat yourself. You work hard. I mean, I could go buy an AP right now. I just don't really want one, you know? I don't want to buy it like on the open market. I want to get a allocation, you know? Sell shares and give away a car. No, I'm not doing that with AMD. Sorry. Hold on, I want to see what my total position is worth right now. Because I know how many shares I have. So I just do the calculation sometime. What's it at? 2. That's just stupid. That's just stupid. Especially from what the initial investment was in that. That's stupid. Which is why I want more freaking shares of Palantir. And I can't get it low enough. I'm just going to have to, like, suck it up and buy a bunch of shares of it. And just increase my average a little and call it a day. You know? I think that might be what I have to do. Futures talk during earnings? No. I'm not. No. Not futures. The actual earnings. Because I can do it. It's not. Because all you got to look for is a couple of things. You got to look for. You would screen for company news that has came out between last earnings and then the earnings date that's coming up. And then you would compare that to what guidance was issued and then what that probably does to their top line revenue, EPS, and things like that. So it can give you a little bit of an understanding of maybe how they're going to perform on earnings. Does that make sense? And then just overall market environments using your bet. But again, it's an educated guess. It's the same thing with the Super Tuesday stuff. It was an educated guess of what's going to happen. Does that always mean that things are going to play out like this? No. Like right now, DWAC is down $1.50 in the pre-market here. Okay, I mean, I'm correct, but it's Kava. We're going to talk about that EMA and the mastermind with you guys. It's pretty good. Let's see. I want it off. Domino's I'm interested in today, too. Where's ES? Still chilling. Did I talk about crowd already? No. We could do post-earnings on that one. I don't know if I really want to. This thing ripped. Like, big time. 22%. Honestly, here's what I would rather do on CrowdStrike. I'd rather wait 2 or 3 weeks on this, see where it can stop. Like, where is this? Where are the previous highs? Oh, shoot. Yeah, because sometimes what I like to happen with these post-earnings trades is that, like, they rip up and then they start to consolidate into a prior level, which is going to be difficult for this thing to do. Like, you'd have to have it fall. I mean, it's not out of the question that if it came down into here, consolidated into this prior level, and then rocketed back up, that's in the cards. It's kind of like Coinbase. So we can look at Coin real quick. So on this Coin move, what did we see? Well, you saw it pop up aggressively with the Bitcoin stuff. You saw it consolidating back down. Again, you saw it converge with my little magical EMA that I'm going to talk with you guys about in the mastermind. But you also had this prior level of resistance that it was now using as support. So it flipped it, used it as support, and then rocketed. So everything about this trade on Coinbase, guys, was nasty, and that's why we were able to make 500% on it in a day. T-Mobile, that was a good one. T-Mobile did get that break. I don't know what it's doing now. Yeah, it's down a little in the pre-market, but you did get that break. Again, I saw this breaking yesterday, kind of intraday, and I was like, it's T-Mobile. I don't think it's going to get that much juice on it. Kava, though, I am interested in. Is this one kind of... Yeah, so this one also is kind of flipping, using prior resistance, turning it into support here. Now it's bouncing off of it. I'd love to see this thing crack through these highs and get through 60. That's what I'd love to see on that one. How's IBM? Remember, I rolled those, so I want to see how this is going to do. 193.01, not bad. Where's ES? ES still looking good. What's the overnight strategy up right now? 1262. I mean, guys, if you literally just watch the video out for free on YouTube, the overnight strategy one, you just made enough to cover your mastermind and then an additional free money. Simple as that. Simple as that. You guys hang around here long enough, oh, you guys are going to start to see your accounts go. But yeah, we're gonna obviously, you guys laughed at gold. BR, see, here's what we're gonna do. I just don't care. If you want to be right all the time and have a bunch of people like come around, go start your own stream. Thank you, brother. Go Palantir. Other than that, man, I mean, oh, sorry, I only called out 5 over 1,000% gainers in the last 2 weeks. My bad, it wasn't 6. Get out of here. What are you doing? Will I maybe trade that stuff sometimes? Yeah, but there's better opportunities out in the market than trading precious metals. Why would we do that? If you want everybody to congratulate you on your wins, go start your own stream. Other than that, we're going to keep calling out 1,000% bangers over here and then showing you guys how to make, I don't know, it's up again now, over $1,300 in a day with one ES contract, knowing literally nothing about the market. So, that's what we're doing. Kava, I really like how this looks. STV gives nuggets of gold every day. Just pay attention. Yeah, pay attention. Or pay a premium. Where's DWAC? You little effer. You should be rocketing right now, and you're not. It's okay. We'll see what happens with this thing at open. Oh, you guys are cranking the like button up too. We're already at 50. Thank you guys. Again, we're gonna get that Powell stream going when he comes up, testifying before Congress at around 10 a.m. That's gonna be fun. We'll extend the stream a little bit longer today. So if you guys want to stick around, kind of go through Powell, we're gonna do that as well. Oh, look at ES here, guys. Look at ES. Oh my God. I trade on big gainers. Yeah, BR. I'm gonna reel back a little bit of what I said there, just because it's the internet, and sometimes again. But I mean, the gold setup was good on the weekly. I will give you that. The gold setup on the weekly was good. It's just not something that I like care about, you know? But like, don't come into the live chat and be like, see? Don't do that, please. SCB, remember, prejudice doesn't let people see the value you add. I recognize myself at the beginning. Your youth made me a little wary, but facts you have showed me, I have a lot to learn. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Finally, gold catches a bit, is what you're saying? Yeah, that's fine. We're cool. We're cool. But the weekly setup was decent on it. Dude, look at ES still pushing. Do we have to sell it open? You can do whatever you want. You have had the strategy outlined for you. You know exactly what the strategy is. And you can do whatever you like. But you guys know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to follow the system. So I'm pretty sure that that's going to put it really green on the month. Not like crazy, but like, it's a good start. It's a good start, you know? Dominoes, dude, this thing could just, it's possible that this thing just gaps open today. It'd be really interesting if it did. Like, really interesting. What brokerage would you recommend to finance your trading adventure? If you want to trade options, Weeble's great. Weeble's also adding futures as well. But for right now, for futures, Trade-of-8 or NinjaTrader. Those are kind of the two. Again, if you're, Thos, I'm not sure exactly where you're from. I know there's a lot of questions from people coming over from the Forex space that like, oh my God, like what broker do I use because all the brokers are terrible. If it's a US-based broker, it's regulated, you're fine. Unless it's a crypto one, and then you never know. Because then you can end up in an FTX situation. And also, have you guys seen the nonsense that like the recovery effort by like FTX and the bankruptcy claims or whatever it is going to give back like 200% of what people's value is? I've seen some headlines on that, and I think that's actually hilarious. Then SBF is going to be sitting in jail like, why am I here? Let me out. Everybody got paid back 2x what they had. That'd be funny. That would add some comedy to the plot here. You know? That would add some comedy. Kava looking good. IBM looking all right. I want to see, so you got this little double top here. I want to see IBM. I believe it's like 193.80. 193.90, 193.94. So basically 194 break on IBM today could be fun. Domino's has my attention big time. Yeah, like, okay, that could just be a rumor. That could 100% be a rumor. I know some of you guys might have gotten, like, slapped on the FTX thing. I don't know if that's the case. It could have just been a Twitter joke. But I don't know. What I'm saying is that if that is the case, that would be kind of funny. If everybody gets paid back, like, double what they had, and then SBF is just like, it's like that video from 50 Cent. It's just like, what are you mad at me for? It's like, well, you did still engage in degenerate gambling with customer funds. So you can stay where you are, pal. DWAX pulling up a little bit here, coming into open. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. We got 7 minutes here, guys. Dude, I'm excited. We got Mastermind starting next week. Again, oh, this is the other thing I want to make sure that you guys understand too. When you guys hop into the Masterminds, the courses, anything, you guys have questions. I know somebody was asking me questions yesterday. And they're like, oh, I don't want to bother you. Bother me as much as you want. That's what I'm here for. I'm always available to answer your guys' questions. TSM, we can take a look at that real quick. Taiwan Semiconductor. This is not really fitting any setups for me. I mean, it's up in the pre-market here nicely. But this is not something that would fit the setups that I typically like to trade. Let's go masterminding. Yeah, guys, I mean, again, you guys just made enough to fully cover your mastermind tuition in this one overnight strategy trade. Moderna, Tor, remember what we've been talking about? I mean, healthcare maybe, but like those typically aren't for me. You know, could it happen? Yes, I'd probably just take it with shares. Anything like that, Tor, where it's like, I don't know, maybe like I'd probably just take it with shares. And then if you end up going up like 10, 15, 20% on them, I would just take this is how I would do it. Dude, you don't have to do this, but like I would just take my initial investment back and have free shares and just like rinse and repeat. So then you're using the same capital to basically give yourself free long-term positions in your options account. Yeah, I know. A couple of questions on T-Mobile. Again, that one's a little iffy. It doesn't move. We've seen it move a little bit wonky in the past, so not really for me. Yeah, so I grabbed some Kava yesterday. I want to see how that thing opens. Those could be really good. DWAC might get a little spice. DWAC is probably going to move like a wild child at open. Where's ES? Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Aunt Kathy was buying Tesla yesterday. She bought Palantir, I believe, either yesterday or the day before. Yeah, so the overnight strategy right now per contract is sitting up like 1350, 1362. So those of you guys that pay attention are getting paid a premium. There you go. So I got to figure out my computer as well. It's really pissing me off just how like glitchy it is over here. Like, and just how slow it's moving. I deleted a bunch of stuff off of it today, and it's still being a little bit of an a-hole, you know? Yeah, and we got Powell testifying before Congress in about a half hour, so we're going to get that as well. The other thing is that if anybody's screwing around with DWAC, Nikki Haley is speaking at around 10 a.m. So that could be interesting. I mean, if she gives an endorsement, all rumored, well, I mean, she's having a press conference at 10 a.m. So that's kind of the what could set it off. If it's going to. Again, that position is I don't, whatever it does, it does. I don't really care. DPZ should pump. You ordered pizza yesterday? Oh, Reaper. There you go. Thanks, man. Single-handedly moving a stock that has a 15.65 billion market cap. Look at you. I'm sorry. Let's do it, ladies and gentlemen. Jolt's at 10. Do we have job openings at 10 as well? No way. Oh, my God. All right, guys. So we had ADP unemployment this morning. We have Powell coming in. Oh, my God. And we have job openings at 10. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This could be a wild morning. Oh, my Lord. Last night opened below the 200 EMA, so that does not seem to have a bearing in the overnight. If it's on the daily, I thought that's what you were talking about, Daniel. Like, if it's on the daily time frame, it's above the 200 EMA, that might do something, but I don't know. I haven't tested that. Did I order 1 million pizzas? I didn't. She's rumored to say he needs to earn her supporters' votes, but it's not a straight endorsement. I would expect that. I mean, I wouldn't expect her to be like, woohoo, yay, DJT. Like, I don't think she's doing that. But, all right, I got to pay attention here because we're ripping up on ES, and I can't forget to sell these. So, you guys are going to hear my little order filled. Maybe we get 1,400. We're sitting up 1,375 right now. I bet you guys are happy. Those of you guys that watched that video, I bet you guys are thrilled out here. Yeah, we have Jolt, Powell, and the Haley press conference. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Oh, we got some more people in here today. Welcome, everybody. Make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. We got a lot of fun stuff going on today. A lot of fun stuff. 1 minute until the ding-ding. Natural gas storage numbers on your radar? Yeah, you've been looking at natural gas. Easy money here. You have Domino's Pizza in Spain? That's kind of cool. Want me to ask how business is going for them? Nah, it's fine. It's fine. I don't really care. Like, I just want... It's a good chart. It's a good chart, man. Hit the damn like button. Thank you, Ralph. I appreciate that, guys. Yeah, we got a lot of you guys in here that haven't hit it yet. We got that 150 like threshold today. We're coming into open. Looks like we're going to have another good day. Let's see. Ooh, IBM coming up. Kava looking good. DWAC, nothing. And then Domino's. I'm going to be interested to see where that opens up. All right, 25 seconds to go. Morning, SCV. What's up, Stout? How you guys doing? Dude, I'm pumped. I know technical's not fundamental. No, I know. We're just joking around. Whoa, that was an ES pump. Overnight strategy now 1450-ish. Let's see what we get. 5, 4, 3, 2. It came back down. Boom.
filled.
Order filled. What do we get there? 14.12. That's good. Before fees. Order filled. Here we go. All right, what do we got? Where's Domino's? Domino's, there you go. You got that little gap up there. The Kavas haven't updated. The Domino's that I have right now look like they're up 33%. That's not bad. The IBMs are up 14. The DWACs are down, obviously. Where's Kava? All right, Kava, you just not want to open? Kava just, like, doesn't want to open today? All right, that's cool. I've never traded that thing before, so I don't know how that thing's going to behave, but here we go, Domino's. I mean, no real trades have happened on this thing yet. Again, that 452 area, if you can break above and start going a little, that would be fun. ES, kind of flickering around here. Let's see. Got rid of your last DG runner. Boy, that moved slow. There you go. Oh, you got 1433. There you go. You sold at 51.77. There you guys go. There you guys go, man. Let me get this straight. Ninja Trader will allow you to do overnight futures. Webull not. Webull just doesn't offer futures right now, those. But they will be in the near future. There's Kava. All right, so those should update here. Not yet. Those have not updated. The DWACs are in the pooper. All right, the Dominoes are up nicely, but that's just spreads. Yeah. I want to see what the Kavas. It's gonna take a few minutes, but I mean that's good here to start. I mean, I don't know. Let's see what happens with this. DWAC being an a-hole. The IBMs are still up nicely. What's IBM at? IBM pushing here. I like to see that. Again, I want to see it above 194. Those are spready as well. So, wow, a lot of things are pretty spready this morning. Interesting. The Kavas haven't even updated. And it's sitting up there nicely. The one button entry and exits. I mean, they probably will. It would make the most sense for them to. Domino's right back down. All right. Is this just being really slow here or what? Kava, rip. There we go. AMD, you're filthy. Is it running? What's AMD at? Yeah, all right. My Kavas are up 96%. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my Lord. All right, I'm going to throw a little limit order out there. It's something crazy. Something crazy if that wants to get going. You want to get... The spreads are ridiculous. What is going on with spreads recently, guys? Is it just the stuff I'm trading? Oh, yeah, Kava. Go. Oh, my Lord. Yep. All right, 129% on the Kavas. I've got a limit order out there. They might come up and hit this. Bro, hit my limit. Don't be an a-hole. Yeah, I got it. Oh, my God. 230% on the Kavas. Oh, baby. Look at us. I'm going to see if I can steal again. Give me. Dude, the spreads on this thing are horrendous. I'm lucky I got it where I did. Film me, I guess. I mean, that's insane. These spreads are stupid. I'm just trying to make it, like, really free now and then just let it rip. Kava can shark. I don't like it. It can do whatever it wants. Order filled. It's free. It takes 30 minutes or so for spreads to tighten recently. It used to be 5 minutes. Yeah, that's a bit weird, man. All right, so now I have free Kavas going into the end of the week. Already realized some nice gains on those. DWAC's getting slapped in the face. Domino's is getting hit a little here. Oh, U.S. 10-year Treasury yields fall to 4.11, lowest since February 8th. TLT, 95.50. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. That was fun. What did Powell say? Powell's coming on at 10, but there were some statements out there that he made. IBM moving. Wait, did IBM get over? IBM did get over 194.21. There you go. I mean, you do whatever you want now. That's super free. Domino's chilling right around 450. I want to see that thing turn and burn. ES doing absolutely nothing. What's the range on this? 51.16 to what? That actually might be a trade today. That actually might be a nasty trade today. So realize some real nice gains on Kava there. Those contracts are spready, but they're sitting. Oh no, those tightened. So they're up 146% here. I stole like a madman on that option chain. You want to understand this better, but it's so complex. Miranda, if you have any questions, this goes for all of you guys. You guys have questions about anything? That's exactly what I'm here for. There's no stupid all right, there's a couple stupid questions. First one is if a stock is up a gargantuan amount and you ask should you buy it, that is a little bit of a dumb question. But other than that, there's really no dumb questions. Again, if you guys want to hop into the courses, I mean, you guys have questions from in there, I got you guys. That's exactly what I'm here to do. Kava whipping around. I mean, that's nasty. That's just disgusting. If you want to push through these highs here, I mean, let it rip. DPZ coming down. I might ditch that and just wait. Let's see if I can get a fill here. I just had a starter on it. See if they take those. Yeah, they took that. Thank you. All right. 174% on the free Kavas here. The IBMs are up. Nice. Okay, so how do you get rich? You make a lot of really good decisions over a long period of time. And that's what I'm here to help you do. If you think that you're going to get rich in a day, don't think that. ES coming down. Where would the entry be on ES? Like down here? 50.80 probably. 50.84 between in there. IBM slip. DWAC being an a-hole. I want to see what happens with this at 10. Neo calls are embarrassingly green %. There you go. Is Kava and IBM still okay to get some options? IBM, not anymore. You guys saw our entry on IBM. Was right above this level-ish right here. I was a little late on it, right around 188.95. And then when I was up about 50-60%, and the market was dying and IBM was holding here, I ended up selling it and rolling it, which means that I sold my position, and then I used that capital to buy another position with more time. Lyft? Do you guys nail Lyft too? Because Lyft's been on the Swing Kings watch list a few times. Yeah, there you go. There you go on Lyft. Dumb question. Are you a lizard? No. I'm not a lizard. All right, let's see. You can get rich in a day, but you'll probably lose it just as fast. I mean, I would say faster. If you try to get rich in a day in the market, guys, you're going to get slapped. Oh, Thos, thank you, man. I appreciate that. He says he's new here. He's been watching since last Friday. It's insane how awesome it is in here. I have a ton of questions, and STV has answered all of them. What a guy. That's what I'm here for. What kind of streamer would I be sitting here if I didn't answer your guys' questions? I'd be kind of an a-hole. He's Toothless the Dragon. I am, yeah. Yeah, that's a tough one. All right, what do we got here? I got to find the link to Powell, which is probably going to make my computer explode, but it's fine. It's fine. Let's see what we got. Powell. If anybody has the link and you can DM it to me, that'd be awesome. I don't see it yet. So if anybody has the link to the Powell stream, shoot me a DM so we can get that up. My computer just hates me for some reason. It's just old now. This was the computer that I first started streaming with. It's just like a piece of garbage Mac. SV may look cocky, but he's legit and has a nice lizard heart. See, I'm only cocky because I like... Because I hand you guys 1,000%ers. And then we all get to sit here having a great time. And it's like, woohoo. The Kavas that I have are up 124%. What did I get that? What is this? All right. I almost had a sketch video pop up there. Yeah, 230%. Those are good. I'm going to hold the rest of those. Those are weeklies. They're free. Let her rip. Come on, computer. My lord. Oh, you guys are slacking a little on the like button today. We got a lot more people in here. I'm glad he's legit because I hate the scammers get rich quick Ponzi scheme stuff. Yeah, I mean, like, and here's the thing, like, you guys will kind of, Powell link, you sent it to me, thank you. I hope it's not some weird link that takes me to, like, you know, that dude who's sitting on the bed, you know? I'd really prefer if that wasn't the link. But yeah, I mean, the thing is, Miranda, you'll see it, like, most of these people that are on the internet have literally no idea what they're talking about. They just don't. Like, people say things sometimes, and I'm like, how does that work? Like, and sometimes you can't fault them. I've had the opportunity to, like, be in contact for a large portion of my life with the people that are, like, the best in the world at this industry. Like, I have a question about the banking system. You know who I call? Banking experts. Like, it's just things like that. Like, that. And I try and give that information to you guys. That's my whole goal here, making sure that you guys have the right information. All right, let me go on Twitter, see if this is here. Dude, my computer is just having a tough day. A tough day. What are these Kavas at? Oh, wait, that's not Weeble. This is Weeble. That's fine. Hold on. No, I don't see it. You guys didn't send me a link. Well, we'll get it, though. It's at, what, 18 minutes? SV's gonna get rickrolled. Kind of a big deal. Stop. Oh, you posted it in chat? Oh, right. You can't post links in chat. Sorry. It's impossible. Are we glitching over here, too? On the... Oh, no. Hold on. We're glitching. We're glitching hard. Hold on. It's definitely glitching today. What is happening with this thing? On a Powell day too, really? Alright, alright, I think we're back. As long as you guys can... Oh, no, we're not. Should we, like, start a new stream? Should we do that or no? Hold on. Which program is this? Just DM me on Twitter. All right. How about this? OBS freaking out. It is. How bad is it right now? That's bad. All right. If you guys can hear me, I'm gonna kill this stream and start a new one. All right. All right, new stream. Just hang around on the channel. It's coming in like 2 minutes. All right. I'm not even gonna be able to cancel this one. All right. All right. I want to see some responses in the live chat first that you guys